Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Cherokee Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bright white clear coat, engine, 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR with ESS, STD, quick order package 2BG included, engine 2.4 Li 40 EVAP MAIR with ESS transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, tires, 225/55 R18 all-season, STD, black premium leather trim bucket seats, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 7.0 inches painted diamond cut aluminum, STD, 3.734 axle ratio, STD, and transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.